I've been raised. When I needed a savior to save me, Jesus, you made a way. I was blind, but these eyes have been opened. Now I walk in the light. Every step on this road I will follow. Jesus, you made a way. You are the way. You are the way. Lost and dead, but your love came to find me. Jesus, you are the way.
What's the difference between potato and mashed potato? Potato, mashed potato.
Jesus, the only way.
If you do not apply or know how to apply what you know, then you are not wise. And that is the present condition of many people today. They're intelligent, but they're not wise. In the same way, God sent His one and only Son to save us by sending His one and only begotten Son, Jesus Christ, to die for you because He loves you. So even before you were born, nung nasa loob ka pa lang dyan ng nanay mo, God already has a plan for you.
po akong natutunan sa retreat na to dahil natutunan ko po na lagi pong magtiwala kay Lord at huwag maligaw ng landas dahil minsan late na po. Mali. Hindi. Huwag maligaw ng landas at maging mouthpiece ni God at magdala ng tao sa Kanya.
But overall, learn this. When there is nothing, no hope whatsoever, just remember, there is Jesus, the light in your darkness, yes.